guys, welcome back to the channel. So yeah, just on this episode I'm picking up the VC Commodore, and yeah, I'm not 100% sure if it's going to run. I'm not sure too much about it because it's been sitting for 20-25 plus years. So the owner, there's their grandparents or something like that, and it's just been sitting on this farm for ages now. So yeah, just go pick him up and get him home, and then I'll see if I can fire him up and get him running. So yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, got it all loaded up, cruising back now. Should be another bloody 20 minutes and I should be home. And yeah, the old trailer worked fine, the winch worked fine. Pulled up the car with all 4 flat tyres, so I was lucky, none of them were all locked up. So yeah, all right, let's get home and let's get this thing unloaded. All right, made it home. She's still on there. Tomorrow's job.
Baby.
Alright guys, so it's the morning now. I've got it all unstrapped and gonna just see how it goes, pulling this off. So I've got it all tight to the shed. Just goes down there, down to there. And yeah, I'm pretty well just gonna drive off. Hopefully she just guides herself off. Probably could try and pump up tires, but yeah, they're pretty rooted, so yeah. Yeah, there's not really that much left of them. They're pretty all like that as well, so. But like, they'll probably pump up. Maybe. They're pretty bad though. Alright, let's see how we go. Well, she's off, somewhat. She's definitely a little bit rougher than I thought she was, looking in the photos. I don't know if this back door opens. It doesn't feel like it wants to open. Yeah, that's going to be trouble. Oh, I still don't got a key for the boot as well. We'll try and get into that somehow. This door handle doesn't open as well. There we go. One benefit. What do we have here? Hubcap. Oh, old Thomas the Tank. How's about that? Chuck it up there. That's a keeper. An old lighter. Yeah, she's gone. Oh, the yellow pages. I actually haven't seen one of them in a long time. Still don't want it. Just want another yellow pages. Water. Yeah, okay, something for the girls. A lager. Can't say I've ever seen that can. Plenty in the back. See if this back handle works. Oh, she went. There we go. One of the back doors work. Doors itself aren't too rusty. Oh, interesting to see what she looks like under this. She might not be. She looks like it's becoming part of the seat.
Oh, Baroola Nathan's River Station. A bit of a different one. What do we got here? Oh, this bloke was doing a bit of travelling. Pretty crazy maps. More beer cans. Oh, that's the boy, the West End draft. Nesquik. Probably a bit of Milo. Yeah, old iced coffee. Why not? The whole bloody carton in the back. Oh well. Yeah, she's got a bit on. That's the bloody dent in the roof. She's definitely been jumped on. See if we can just bloody pop that one out. Check out the camera there. There we go. That's bloody like brand new. Came up pretty decent actually. Look at there. No, that's actually doesn't get much better than that. Yeah, just to suss out inside here. Boy. Yeah. Oh, there she is, the almighty Starfire. All full cylinder. Yep. Yeah, not 100% sure if this will run. She's definitely seen some better days. Ooh, there's a spark plug taken out. That's not a good sign. But it's still got its air filter on, so let's see, it's a good sign. Yeah, interesting. See how she goes. Alright, what's she got? Definitely no coolant left. No surprise. Car sitting for over 20 years. Should see if that tops up though. The oil. This one. Oh, doesn't look too bad. Chuck that back in. Ooh. Is the engine free? Oh yeah. She does move. She feels like she's a bit tight, but she does move. This will go here. Chuck him on. See if she does anything. You never know. No. Nothing wild's happening. It's always a good thing. Sometimes these old cars, you can still move them past that point. I feel like I just had it past that point, and now it's not past the point. I could probably try my VL key. Oh, steering lock, non-steering lock. I don't want steering lock. How was it not on steering lock? I'll get a screwdriver. Apparently these are pretty easy to start with a screwdriver. Got the VL key. Oh, she glides in, but still doesn't free her up. Oh, she went. How's that? Uh-oh. Did not want to stop. Jeez. Whew, what a weapon. This one here's coil lead. What's on there? Actually, the same colour as the leads that are still on this thing. Chuck that on there. Lead on there. All these other leads are on. Give that a good soaking because it's probably very tight. 7/16. Oh, that's out of the way. A little bit of rust in there, which is not ideal. bit of WD-40 in there. Hopefully free everything up, free everything around it as well. Can't see anything. Oh yeah, you can see one opening in there. Only just. It's hard to see. Interesting. See how she goes. Yeah. Starter motor won't disengage. Yeah, it might if it fires up. So let's dip some fuel down. Still don't know if it has spark, but yeah, let's just see how we go. Let's just go a little bit. Don't know if she has spark. There was spark. It wasn't the best spark, but there was spark. Let's pop this off. Maybe we can give the points a bit of a clean up. A lot of build up. Take all that white stuff off, corrosion. Let's put that back on. Probably doesn't help that wire's dodgy as well. That wire's hanging on by a strand. It's gonna do something. I don't know what though. Okay, finally got the wires back on that. For a little bit, and I basically just rigged up this bad boy here, just gravity feeding, just not relying on the pump. Battery's been charging for a bit now, so it spluttered a little bit, like just real faintly, so I think like she's gonna be pretty close, like, so yeah, we'll give her a go. It's up and running, a little bit of fuel. Gauges don't work. Sucked all the fuel down. Didn't want to stop now. Yeah, well, she's running now. Definitely definitely a few more things to look at with this thing. A couple of old parts must be a bit sticky. The ignition's a bit sticky and stuff like that as well. Just won't shut off. Even the starter motor's a little bit stickier as well. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video with this old beast. There's probably going to be a little bit more. Yeah, also had to make up a screwdriver to turn him over, because yeah, the key worked for a little bit, but then I sprayed like WD-40 on there and then it just didn't work after that, so then I had to just use the make up screwdriver. Yeah, do a couple more videos on this in the future. Definitely got to do one where I get it running a little bit better and probably give it a clean up and probably put some tires on it so I can actually see if she moves. And yeah, cheers for watching, guys. Hopefully you guys have a good one. Hope you enjoyed the video. See ya.